Hey there, welcome back. I'm at my local park again. I'm out here gonna try and catch a bunch of little bluegills, freeze them up, use them for later trips of catfishing. But while I'm here, I figured why not? Let's set up the old kiddie poles. I got some chicken titty out there on the line. Let's see if we can't catch a cat or two while we're here. So yeah, video might be a little boring, might be whatever, but it is what it is. So yeah, stick with me. That's a freaking coon. A little baby coon. Buddy, what are you doing up there? Buddy, you're gonna fall out of that damn tree. There we go. We're on one, guys, finally. We'll take him. There we go, guys. First bluegill. Oh, and of course he had to swallow it all the way to his butthole. All right, guys, there's one. He's a bleeder too. I think we might be something interested in the old chicken titty. Seen it getting a little bite. Still ain't caught no other bluegills, guys. This is crazy. I've never had this hard of a time trying to catch bluegill. We're on one, guys. Yeah, we did. On a piece of chicken. Here we go, guys. Just a little one. Oh. Maybe 12 inches. Well, y'all, that's it. Nothing else more. Just that bass and that one frickin' bluegill. Obviously, I'm gonna have to find someplace else to catch bluegills for bait, or, oh yeah, some jumping out there, that's cool. Or learn how to catch them better here, I suppose. This is the worst I have ever done at the park fishing. So, yeah, until next time, rip lips, fish on.